بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
So the next thing we'll talk about OSPF tables. Now OSPF tables, like we have seen already these tables in the previous sessions. Like the first stage, whenever the router, before they exchange their own information or the database, the first step is they need to establish the neighbor relationship, and that is done with the help of hellos. Like in the two-way stage we discussed, they will exchange the hellos. Once they come to the two-way stage, they establish the neighbor relationship and build the neighbor table. And we can verify that neighbor table by using showIP OSPF neighbor command. Like we have seen this. When you say showIP OSPF neighbor, you can see the neighbor information as well. A similar way, you can see the routing table. Now routing table contains the best route. Like in my case, let's say this is the network I want to go. And from the router 1 to reach this particular subnet, there are three possible routes. Like here you can see this is one route, or you can go from the second route, or you can go from the third route. So based on the advertisements, like if you remember, we discussed the link state database table. Now every router will advertise their LSS to each and every other router. Based on that, they will figure out all the information, like every router, how it is connected, the exact information, so all the information, and based on that, it is going to calculate the best route based on the metric again. So typically the information about all the routes or all the routes which are being learned or different LSS, the advertisements, will be maintained in the database table. And the information about the best route, or if you want to see which route it is used by the router to forward the packet, you will see that in the routing table. So routing table contains the best route to the destination. Like out of these three routes, this will be in the routing table, assuming this is the best. Of course, it will calculate based on the bandwidth. We'll talk about that in the OSPF metric topic. And that best route you'll find inside the routing table. But whereas the database table, as I said, it is also referred as a link state database, and every router in the network must have the same database or the same number of advertisements received by the router. And we can verify that by using showIP OSPF database.